Hi, welcome back. You're once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In today's lecture, I'll be talking about what is gerund. Let's begin. So, gerund, look at the definition. A gerund is a verb plus ing used as a noun. जब हमारे साथ वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी आ जाए और वो एज ए नाउन इस्तेमाल हो उसको हम gerund कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट दिस वर्ड, स्विमिंग इज अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. सो हियर दिस वर्किंग इज अ नाउन. दिस इज वर्ब plus ing. So when there is a verb and plus ing form and used as a noun, so that is called gerund. It comes in the start, also in the end of a sentence. Swimming is a good exercise. So this word is gerund. The girls enjoy swimming. So this word is also gerund. How? So we have verb, this one, plus ing form. When you use verb plus ing as a noun, so that word is called gerund. If you have any question regarding gerund, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it to friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself.